We wanna get one thing, hey, understood. That you and me and you, we're looking good. Check us out now, L-O-O-K-I-N-G, G-O-O-D, we're looking good.
All right, you guys have 10 seconds to subscribe and like this video. Go.
A dessert, chips, and a drink.
What drink? What drink would you like?
Tell me when.
Anybody need some tire, Sean?
Hey, yo, hey, right quick, right? Since this car gonna be sitting, you ain't gotta drive down, all right? And the soap by itself.
Okay.
And the soap.
So we only dry it when the car's not gonna be sitting?
Right, if the car's sitting, you ain't gotta drive down. The tire's blocked. No, listen to me. When you rest, people around you, rest away from them.
It's my That's how my age too.
I thought my hair right was good. It's not.
They can get there.
All plates you get one of these.
It's for those two ladies that work at Walmart. When we give them all 30?
Yeah,
They already paid for it.
they don't get that and a drink.
They just wanted a big sandwich.
So don't let them walk off trying to grab 2 and 3, especially when you're drinking. You want to stop right there and grab it. What is whiting?
Whiting is the type of fish that we fry.
Oh, I know. Okay.
Okay, we got baked beans, slaw, bread,
So both plates come with cake.
drink, and chicken.
Yeah, right. Both plates come with cake, but only the hot dog plate comes with chips. The fish plate comes with slaw, baked beans, dessert, and a drink.
We don't just teach our girls how to cheer. We teach them how to drive. JCE driver's way. I did that. What is fun? Just wait till mine is dripping.
I need some water over here.
Do I wash the tires?
They are. Don't worry about time. You don't do the same spoons with the. Here you go.
Mine is just
Green is
dripping.
doing the tire.
Go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, you good. You good. Go ahead.
Go ahead. Daddy, you got 2 sponges. One of the girls need a sponge.
Trying to get this over with.
Well, listen,
Grab
don't
the
rush
water.
my car.
I'm gonna do the top and I'll do the bottom. You need to be washing. These belong to you. It's your girl car. That's my daughter, but it's your girl. Here, welcome. Hey, this is what a rookie will do. This is what a rookie will do. You see that right there?
What you do? Wipe under the car?
I got it clean. I did all of this right here. It's good to go. It's a brand new car.
I'll tell you what.
Hey, get your car washed. You do a good job. Come on.
It's like, they don't want this.
Hey, get you some good food. Get your car washed. Get your car washed. Come on, lady. Help us.
This is depressing.
They be like
This is why kids need therapy now.
Get you some good food. The food is very good.
Y'all forgetting to get your car washed. Y'all talking about food. Maybe their car dirty.
Her car is dirty. I'm not too driving.
Oh, she really getting food?
Nope.
No.
Wait, hold on. She might be
What she
looking for a
think we
parking
down
spot.
there?
Time to get to work.
All right.
Gotta work outside.
You got, well, can you tell me real quick? So you don't got.
That's not that.
Car wash. Okay. She wanted to see me do that.
I want a sequence.
Yeah, I don't do sequences. Yeah. No.
I used to be able to do those, like, I used to be able to do toe touch, herky, then like another toe touch, but I can't do that no more. Take the sign, let her do it. Oh, don't hurt yourself. Oh, but we don't want no scrubs. Hey, get your car scrubbed.
Hey, come on. Get you some food. Get you some food too. Hey, we are hungry. We want to eat. Come on.
$5, $7.10 for the car wash.
We got beans, coleslaw, hot sauce, and fish. Crab legs. It's good. Hey, it's good. Hey, it's good. We on the grill. You know. Good job so far, car washing.
Yeah.
We do this.
Y'all gotta be
We together because our whole school is coming.
I'm not together.
Yes, we are.
Man, you should have told me. Don't stop. Get it.
Come on, let's work. We hot, too hot. That's what we are. That's what we don't stop. Get it. Come on, let's work. We hot, too hot. That's what we are. That's what we don't stop. Get it. Come on, let's work with it. Ooh.
Pump it. Hey.
All right. Go, you, right, orange, do it. All right. Hey, pump it, JC. Pump it. Hey. All right. Go, you, right, orange, do it. All right. Hey, pump it, JC. Pump it. Hey. All right. Back up.
Let's go. There you go. Scrub.
I don't have any.
Where's Janai? Janai should be doing this.
This her mama car. Where she at? Hey.
All right, you better watch.
Don't got in my eye.
Oh, I'm sorry. We washing it. Wow.
Y'all need to get right there at the bottom.
Get your car wash. Car wash. Fish fry. Hot dog sale.
I gotta get into the handle, get under the handle. I get all that right there. Right there, that right there. Get that. Get that.
White, you gonna tell if you don't.
Somebody bring me your finger.
I got you.
Dig in right under there. See that right there? Get under that stern in there and then come above it and get in there. Oh, good. That feels good on my feet.
You can't tell us we want to spread.
Got another car, y'all.
You better not. You better not.
Y'all need to move now. Where you going? Are you sure?
Like this window?
Yeah, you might as well get what if you wash it easy, wash it.
You say a lot. No, because like I just be on the crowd. Nobody be listening to me.
Okay. Do we gotta do this?
I saw the other part. You not listening.
Yes.
Fuck you what? You all tired of me. What? Good job. You started though. No, but like for real, so like when I be talking, I ain't even do the windows yet, so therefore
I lied. I'm sorry.
it don't even matter.
I lied.
I did the tires.
No, the tires look nice. I'm not even gonna hold you. They look nice.
I know they do.
They about to cheer.
They ready to take a picture with a fan.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
You can stand up and paint. You can groove, do a cheer while you're painting. Whatever you want to do. It's not meant to just sit here and paint. So everybody, you go at your own pace. No picture is a bad picture. Every picture is your picture, and every picture is excellent. It's a representation of you and your artistic gift.
This is what JCE really looks like.
So we're like artists now. We kind of ditched the cheerleading thing. So
And paint.
how do I don't have anything on my canvas, so I can't really. I need a pencil.
Good or bad? You said whoever wins the worst picture, is painted with. Okay.
Why y'all can't have a blue and orange uniform? It's a JCE uniform.
No, I'm talking about
this
the
one my
background.
horn.
This one my horn. This yellow part. But
Horn. Megaphone. Jesus, take the wheel.
y'all, I done smeared this in. I was just color my background like pink.
Mermaid.
Hey.
A mermaid. I did a mermaid with a sunset, and I did a beach.
What's the word I'm looking for?
Smeared?
Oh yeah, I didn't smear. I done smeared the sheet. Bye. Listen to Cheyenne. Cheyenne, let me see yours. All I see is the background.
No, it's not like Lion King. It's like Shining King. Wow!
She said Cheyenne.
I would wear.
Cute. I like it.
I told you.
She gets a pass because she did it.
Oh wow.
I'm like, I mean, yours is better than mine. I'm struggling.
Honestly, I can't get any worse than this.
There you go.
Right.
Every time I think that, I just get worse.
Yeah.
Look at this. This looks like, I don't know. Because I'm trying to leave space so I can go back and outline it and then.
If I try to say that I have a vision, it's not about the work. So.
Had a vision, then follow through.
No, I had the vision. I tried, but then that handshake a little bit. And it was
She should have handshake a little bit. After your hand wobbles is all on. Don't worry about what we gonna do.
We were thinking
This
about
mine.
doing a back to school drive.
Okay.
August the 17th, that's a Saturday.
okay.
I know it would be hard to ask parents to donate school supplies and things like that. I was just thinking having
Miss Keisha.
I like that.
Somewhat. I'm not going.
bring that over here.
Coach, have you done? Looks nice.
I'm having a Bob Ross moment.
What? You what? Okay, let me use this pink.
It's not about what's happening.
Mine is
She got a tiger megaphone.
in the middle.
Shut your middle, girl.
Is it just my phone?
Is that facing mom?
We're gonna do it like this real quick. Okay, y'all face
All right, shit, mine is the best.
I'm be like, yeah.
Face this. Y'all get in.